Anyone who knows Turkey well enough can confirm that when it comes to restoring old vehicles, the Turks know a thing or two. Totally off subject, I know, but this place reminds me of the Tractor Museum in Çanakkale, purely because the standard of restoration is so good. We have a separate video on that. The cars in the Key Museum look like they have just rolled off the production line. This is one of the largest classical car museums in Turkey, and certainly one of the best. The collection was started by the Özgürki brothers. Initially from humble beginnings, it has expanded, and it is housed in a 7,000 square metres dedicated hangar of a building called the Key Museum. Notice that the last 3 letters of the brothers' surname contains the word key. You can watch our video on the town of Torbalı, but this museum is most definitely one of the 2 main places to visit if you are anywhere near the town. The other, of course, is the ancient historical site of Metropolis. The museum is situated about 7 or 8 kilometres out of town, so you will either need to take a taxi or have your own transport. The museum is not open on Mondays or Tuesdays, but it is open every other day from 10 a.m. to 1700 p.m. The first thing that strikes you about the museum as you approach it is the sheer size. With ample parking, the brand new looking building hides the delights that lie within. Opened in 2015, this growing collection features over 100 cars and 40 motorcycles, as well as an extensive collection of thousands of model cars. When you walk through the doors into the first hall, you really do get that wow factor. The ambience of the place and the professionalism with regard to the presentation of the displays just goes to portray the level of enthusiasm and dedication that the 2 brothers have put into this museum. There are all types of vehicles and prestigious marques here, from the earliest of automobiles to some more modern classics. There is a retro cafe bar and a collection depicting Shell petrol pumps and accessories from the 1900s onwards. I won't list my favourite car here, since that's for you to decide, and of course everyone's favourite will be different, but this is certainly the place to spend a good couple of hours or more. If you're a petrolhead car enthusiast, you will be in your element here. As you walk around this museum, it will bring back memories for many people. A lot of the cars you will have seen in movies, or even owned one of them perhaps if you're older. This really is a very special place. Each exhibit has been lovingly and painstakingly restored to its former glory. I cannot recommend this museum enough. Torballe may seem a little off the beaten track as a town, but it's actually just 30 kilometres from Adnan Menderes Airport, 45 kilometres from Izmir, and 40 kilometres from Ephesus. The ancient site of Metropolis is just 14 kilometres away. You can take pictures and videos whilst you're in the museum, and there is also a shop. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up, or why not subscribe. Thanks for watching.